What happens when a governor comes prepared, when he's not just filling a seat, but stepping into it with purpose, with vision, and with a clear roadmap? Today, we take you inside one of the biggest transformations happening quietly in the Southeast, the rise of Enugu's new transportation revolution. Let's be honest, public transportation in many Nigerian cities has always been a struggle. But what if we told you that one state is about to flip the script completely? Yes, we are talking about Enugu State, and the man behind this dramatic shift, Governor Peter Mbah. Before politics, Peter Mbah was a lawyer, an oil and gas executive, and a successful entrepreneur with a master's degree in business administration from the University of East London and executive training from Harvard. This man clearly did not stumble into leadership. No, he came prepared, and we are now seeing that preparation in full display. This month, Enugu will officially kick off Enugu Air, a state-backed airline to improve connectivity and promote tourism. But that's not all. The streets of Enugu State will also begin to witness CNG-powered taxis, interstate CNG buses, and modern bus terminals designed with comfort, safety, and efficiency in mind. Yes, you heard that right. CNG, not petrol. Why? Well, because compressed natural gas is cleaner, safer, and here's the best part, cheaper. In a time when transport fares are sky high across the country, Enugu is offering its people an affordable alternative. That's not just governance, that's innovation. Now, let's give credit to where it's due. This level of transformation in transport is not accidental. Governor Peter Mbah and his forward-thinking Commissioner for Transportation are clearly not playing. They understand that transportation is not just about movement, it's about economy, access, security, and dignity. Imagine boarding an affordable, air-conditioned, eco-friendly CNG bus instead of squeezing into an overcrowded keke in the blazing sun. That's the future Mbah is building. Now let me ask you this. Could Peter Mbah be the best performing Igbo governor right now? Is he slowly becoming the benchmark for innovation in the Southeast? And speaking of that, who else is doing something remarkable in transport? Is it Sodo in Anambra? Uzodinma in Imo, or is it Peter Mbah clearly in the lead? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.